Teachings on the 12 Deeds of the Buddha, by His Holiness the 42nd Sakya Ratna Vajra Rinpoche. Introduction to the teaching. Buddha Śākyamuni is a historical figure, not a character from a fairy tale or myth. One of the key principles of Buddhism is the idea that each individual has the power to attain enlightenment. We are, in essence, our own masters. In simple terms, this means that Buddhahood cannot be granted to us. The Buddha himself demonstrated the path to awakening. But ultimate realization is a personal journey that cannot be bestowed by any external authority, not even by the Buddha. Now the question arises, is Buddhahood achievable for us? Buddha Śākyamuni, the then Prince Siddhārtha, living a lavish lifestyle, sought a solution to suffering and ultimately found the path to ultimate happiness. He has proven that Buddhahood is indeed possible for all of us. Throughout his life, the Buddha performed many significant deeds, 12 of which are highlighted in Tibetan Buddhist tradition. This text explores these deeds and their relevance to contemporary life, inviting readers to embark on their own journey of self-discovery and enlightenment. Enjoy the reading experience, accompanied by beautifully crafted illustrations, and may it inspire each and every one of you on your path to inner peace and fulfillment.
Download a free copy at the Sakya Teachings e-library. Scan the QR code or visit our website sakyatradition.org.